Okay, I decided to start this problem as the first problem on this video so that you would listen very carefully. We have this negative on the inside of our function. So we know that we're going to have a reflection. And that reflection is going to be a reflect over the y-axis. So a negative on the inside, negative on the inside is a reflect over y. But we have to see what we're taking the opposite of on the inside. So it's important to rewrite. So rewrite the inside. And you'll see what I mean by that. Kind of just using my own language here. Y equals the square root of. Well, we know we have the opposite of x, but what was it the opposite of? It was originally the opposite of, if I factor out that negative, x plus 3. Now that we've rewritten, we can determine our transformations. So now determine your transformations. So whenever that negative is written on the inside, you have to do this first. Take this, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller because it's going onto my grid. There we go. So we've got to reflect over x. I'm sorry, reflect over y. Reflect over the y-axis because the negative is on the inside. And then this plus 3 means left 3. See, if you don't rewrite this, you're going to think that you go right 3. And you don't go right 3. You go left 3. But we're going to reflect first. So I'm going to, once again, I'm going to plot y equals the square root of x. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, 9, 3. I'm not going to connect the dots because those are just the points, and I'm going to reflect and move left. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 points that I'm going to be moving here. So I'm just going to make my points up first. So we're going to reflect over the y-axis first. This point is on the y-axis, so it's going to stay there. And then it goes left 3 units. This point right here, 1, 1, reflects over the y-axis. And then it goes left 1, 2, 3 units. This point, reflect 4, 2, is going to reflect over the y-axis. So it's going to go to negative 4, 2. And then it's going to go left 1, 2, 3 units. And then this point is at 9, 3, so it will go negative 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, I can count. And then it's going to go left 1, 2, 3 units. So I just kind of put it out there so I've got a target to draw. That was a little shaky there. Let's try again. There. Left-handed people are going to enjoy this one. And now I understand why. Why some people left-handed have a better time going to the left versus going to the right. Although left-handed people, I think, have more ambidextrous type skills. So I'm a bit envious of you. So that video was important to be a standalone video because I wanted to make sure it wasn't at the end of something else, that it was at the beginning and it stood all by itself so that you'd watch it and make sure that when you have that negative on the inside, you don't forget to factor out your negative to see what your true transformations are.